Assalamu alaikum. This is Sir Hassan, a lecturer, and currently we're going to talk about a very trending topic and the most demanding topic in 2026. So, as you can see from the title of the topic, that on which we are going to talk in detail, and how can a student, a woman who are sitting at home, or a person who want to earn money, especially with the platform which is online. So this is the best video for you. Watch from the start to end, don't skip it. Let's move toward the video. So over here we are going to talk about the content, that what are the channels from where we're going to earn money, or you can say that how can money can be made with from which platform, and what are the ways to earn money. So these are the few things I have make a lectures in the form of eight uh, platforms from where you can earn money. First of all, why earn online? So this is the big question that people want to know, that why we want to earn online. Second is online teaching and tutoring. Third thing is freelancing. Fourth is the video channels, and fifth is digital products. Sixth is online consulting, and seventh is affiliate marketing, and eighth is the remote jobs, that are the things that we can do online. So let's move toward the first, that main important topic, which is the why earn online. So you can see over here that few points which I have wrote over here, like purely practical reasons for earning online includes first thing, flexible working hours. So this thing is like the most thing important thing that you can earn or you can work. And what are the advantage of here is like flexible working hours. What are this? So you can enjoy the ability to set your own schedule. Flexible means you can have your work at any time, availability of your time whenever you are available. Like for example, you want to work, you don't want to work from 9 to 5, you want to work from like 12, you want to start your work at 12 and like that. So second thing is that work from home is the thing. You can work from your home, like eliminate commuting and work in a comfortable environment. You can not only work at your home, if you like any place you can go there, so you can start your work from there. Number third is the global income opportunities. Through online you can earn not only sitting in your own country, you can earn from globally access markets around the world. Like if you talk about the Amazon or Alibaba, so they are the company whose headquarter, or you can say that the main hubs are on are present in different country, but remotely is the flexibility thing, that you can earn and work with the world companies and world MNCs company. Like you have access to the all around the world. Number fourth is low investment. Me to say that start with the minimal financial outlay. Over here it means that you don't have to you don't have to buy your assets, or like office, you don't have to pay for the rent of that, or you don't want to invest your money in buying the furniture or something like that. So this, you can say that these are the advantage over here: flexible working hours. Second is work from the home. Third is global income opportunities. Number fourth is low investment. So first point is a very much important point. You have to clear this first point. So if you clear this fourth point, then you can move from next onward. So what you can start over here is the main point. So let's see over here, the online teaching or tutoring is the most important thing. Like you can see with the picture which I have mentioned, which I have drawn over here, like this female is sitting at home in a very comfortable environment and working. How she's working, so it's best thing for, especially for the females who don't want to go outside and who just want to earn money while sitting at the home. So they can the teach subjects online. They have the ability, if they have the command teaching any kind of subject like maths, English, computer, or any different language, like English language, Arabic, German, any kind of language, they can give a tutoring subject while sitting at the home and they're going to make the lectures online. So share your knowledge with the students globally. This is the first and the most important point. recorded courses that just I'm recording my lecture, and you can also record a lecture, create video courses for passive income. So this is the important part, that you can, if you want to earn passively, so you can start making the videos. Live tutoring, this is the most important, like mostly especially by using the platform like Zooms or video calling, so you can give online tutoring, like offer real-time assistance to the learners. And the best for educators, ideal for those with teaching background. This is the best thing for those people who are associated with their profession, who just currently working in the teaching line, or their professors, teacher, anyone, so they can start teaching online. And this is the thing which I've told you. Let's see number third point, which is the freelancing. So freelancing, let's understand what the freelancing is, and what things are present in the freelancing. Freelancing offers diverse opportunities, including number one, content writing. We can discuss all these points in detail. I will going to make another video for you people, for so that you can just see that what's the content writing, how you can do the content writing, and what are the platforms, and how you can write from the where you can get the material. So these are things: craft articles, blogs, and marketing materials. Number second is graphic designing. If you talk about graphic designing, so it's the most top demanding things. And if you can see anything anywhere, like any organization, you can see a graphic designer is present over there. So what they do, so they are just not only making a graphic design, but they are doing the marketing. They are the, you can say, the backbone of the marketing. Without graphic designer, no one can do the marketing, because marketing needs any kind of, you can say that material or colorful things which can see, which can show, which company shows to the people that we are offering this. So for those material, for those content, there must be a graphic designer present over there. So create visual content for brands and business. I've already told you that in any organization, like organization, there may be a brand, or they are offering something out of product. So for making that product more effective, more colorful, and more eye-catching, so a graphic designer is that person who gives the real give the color to that picture or to the image. Okay. Number third is research and academics works. Research and academics works, like we are in the era where nothing can be done without any kind of research. So that the research is the main part for any organization, for any culture, to improve, to make any kind of decision, because research tells you like what you have done in the past and what future predictions, or you can say that what thing that you have to avoid. So research and academics work is you can say that are also the part of the freelancing. Project management, like number four part is the project management. How project management, many companies, if I talk about like telecom companies, so they have the work they mainly do their work in the project form. So you can also take the part, you can also just engage with them and manage the tasks and team. So this is also the part of the freelancing work. So if I talk about these four things, first of all, you can make the content writing, second is graphic designing, third one is the research and academics, number fourth is the project management, are the part of the freelancing. Let's move toward the next thing, which is the YouTube channel. What are the things in YouTube, what you can do? In YouTube, mostly people watch the things, and if we talk about the background of that, so people make the content so that other people can get benefits, something like that. So you can also work as online by using the channel of the YouTube channel. So educational content in YouTube, what things are present, like share knowledge and skills effectively, as I'm doing over here. Business and facts, discuss entrepreneurial insights and data, you can do over there. AdSense and sponsorships, monetize through ads and partnership. If your channel got monetized, so you're going to earn by the help of AdSense, sponsorships. So this is also the way you can earn long-term income. Build a suitable stream of revenue. If your channel grows, it doesn't mean that you can make a video and post it and it will uh, uh, get viral as you post. No, it takes time. So YouTube is also the platform many people are earning a very good and handsome amount of money. Let's talk about number fifth point, which is the digital products. What are they? Consider selling digital items such as sales PDFs and notes, online courses, templates and guides, passive income. So offer educational material for download. Second is the teach skills, as I've already discussed in the first part. Structured learning experiences, templates and guide. Many people like Carousel. Canva is the best platform to you can just sell the templates and guide people, and a lot you can make a lot of designs, and they are over there already. People have made a design, only you have to make some kind of changes, amendments. Not, you don't have to make from the scratch. Templates are present, you only have to make some amendment. You can also download and you can also sell. Many people are selling the canvas platform templates or material to the other platforms. Especially if I talk about the ebooks, many people are downloading their material of the ebook and start selling on different platforms. So provide ready-made solutions for various needs. And number four is passive income, which is generate revenue while you focus on other projects. Number six is online consulting. What's that? Consulting service can span several areas, including like business consulting, academic consulting, career counseling, one-on-one sessions. Let's talk about one from the number one part, which is the business consulting. What's that? Business guide businesses toward growth and efficiency. Like many companies, they need consultancy online, like with the experts. So you can also, if you are expert in any field or any like, and if I talk about the like education consultancy, if you're expert in giving some guidance to the students in studying abroad or something, which the like best university and how you can get admission. So, or like you can say that in business consulting, how you can give some ideas to make the companies can grow their revenue or the profit. So guide them. You can contact with their owners and give their like specialty or something like to like the positive thing, so their business can grow. So you can give the consultancy in terms of guiding the business toward growth and efficiency. Academic consultancy, I've already told, assist students or institutions with their need. Like different universities, they not only offer the online courses, or they not only like you can also teach the university from work from home. You can say you can give the lectures while sitting at the home. So what you are doing, you are doing academic consulting. Career counseling, I've already told, like if I talk about like those firms who are working in the study abroad or career counseling. So you can also give the career counseling to the those organization, to those students. One-on-one session means like if you are sitting in any person with giving any like advice or something, you are giving one-on-one person means that you and that person. So one-on-one person means the two-person, one person is you and the other person is like to whom you're giving the advice, or you are guiding that person. So online consultancy is also the part of the online earning. Let's talk about number 7 part, which is affiliate marketing. What's that? Earn through affiliate marketing by promote products. What's affiliate marketing is? Like recommend items that you believe in, earn commission, receive payments for sales generated through your links. Number 3, use YouTube and blogs, leverage your platforms to reach audience. Like first of all, you can understand that what the affiliate marketing is. In affiliate marketing, what you are doing, you don't have your own product, you don't need to buy your own product. What you want to do, you can just give the recommendation. As over most of the influencers, YouTubers, what they are doing influencers marketing. What they are recommending the product of any brand, like this product is that product which is the most you can say that organic, or what you're doing, you are just promoting that product. So what it means, you're recommending that product of any company or any brand. So affiliate marketing is also a part of the online marketing, or you can earn money from that. Okay. One thing more, what you're doing, you are just earning the commission. Okay, and what channels you're using, you're using your, like your Facebook, Instagram, your YouTube, or any different platforms where that you use. And over there you have a bunch of like long list of the followers, and many people follows you, and on recommendation they're going to buy that product. And if they buy that product, so you got commission, and what you were doing, you were promoting that product. So okay, eighth thing is like remote jobs. There are remote jobs opportunities such as online instructor, content manager, operations assistants, fixed salary. So teach and guide students. I'm going towards the conclusion parts. Teach and guide students remotely. Content manager, like oversees content creation and distributions. Support day by day. Operation assistant, what we are doing support day by day operations for from anywhere. Fixed salary, and what they enjoy the stability of the regular paychecks. So let's conclude all things over here. To succeed in the marketing money online, remember to what you have to do. First thing, that start with one skill. Focus your efforts on mastering one area. Stay consistent. Mean regular work leads to progress and income. Mean to say, if you decided to work online, so you are working today, not tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so that's not thing. You cannot get something. You need to be stay consistent. Third is avoid scams. Be cautious and do your research before investing. So this is, in online there are a lot of scammers and people who try to ditch you and try to take your money. So you should be careful regarding the scams. Number four, this is grow step by step. This is the, you can say that, the advice or the precautions. Build your online presence gradually. Okay, so thank you very much, and I hope you people like this video and this lecture. So if you want to ask anything regarding to that, so you can give the comment, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.